Holy smoking, man. It said on the radio 23 cars.
I've already found it.
Still recording. Oh, it said 23. Okay.
And they're going to come over here.
Pow. See? Pow. Okay folks, I cheated. I actually set the top of my car as a tripod tonight. It says a semi-truck is crossing the bridge. What did you say, Nick? How many cars?
26.
He counted 26. Thought we heard on the radio 23. Now, well, it doesn't matter. It's a train.
I'm just glad you didn't call me Hosehead.
Yeah, okay, well, I'm trusting that Hosehead counted correctly, so,
Hey! People, my name's not Hosehead.
No, his name is Nick. He's my cousin's son. He's along for the journey. Let him count and all that cool stuff. This is what you don't want to be doing after a train's come by. You just ride your bicycle unless you happen to be one of the crew.
And another thing you don't want to do is walk in front of a train with its headlights on.
Right. You don't know when it's moving. Hey, the door's open on the P&L unit.
P&L?
You know, the P&L unit going to come out here a little bit?
I don't know.
We'll find out. It's getting a little dark for us, folks. Normally I don't talk when I'm taking videos here, but hope you guys enjoy. This actually is part 2. The first part, my hands got tired when they were doing the switching, so